So that is fantastic. That's how it lasts. When the tyre is worn out, you can just flick it off, you can reuse it, you can throw it out. Hi guys, it's Brett here from Hearns Hobbies, and today I'd like to talk to you about wheel balancing. Now in particular, I've got a 1/8 scale buggy here that we're going to balance up a tyre on, but that can translate to any application that we're doing, whether it's 5th scale, 8th scale, 10th scale, on-road, off-road, can all benefit from balancing your tyres. Now as we know, they all spin very fast. When something's out of balance, it will vibrate. Whether it's your full-size car, if you've got an out of balance wheel, you'll feel the steering wheel or shudder or vibration through the car. Well, our radio control cars are no different. So to keep them running nice and smooth, maximum performance and handling, we can balance the wheels. And that's what we're going to do today. So let's get started. So this is one that I've glued up previously. This is an AKA tyre on an AKA wheel. It's been glued up and it's been checked. It's brand new, never been used. So the next thing that I'll do, obviously I'll have a stack of them or whatever, but today we'll just do one. We'll balance it up. So here I've got a balancing jig. Now these are readily available, and most guys have got them. If not, they've had one or they're getting one. So we've got this simply mounted. Usually I have it mounted on a desk. For this point, mounting it on my little car stand. Now you can see that the tyre can spin and rotate freely without touching anything. So all we want it to do is a couple of rotations, and you can see how it's rocking. It's rocking because there's a heavy spot on the wheel. I'm going to take a marker and I'm going to mark it at the top of where it's rocking. Now this is just a whiteboard marker, so I can mark this off. A nice black mark on there, a little line. See, when I move that 90 degrees from vertical, it's rocking back to the top. So I know that this is the lightest part of the wheel. We've definitely got a heavy spot down here, or light spot up there, whichever it is. So then we're going to take our balancing clay. You can even use blue tack. This is like a plasticine kind of material. So it doesn't fully harden, but it is quite robust. And I have used, like I said, something as light as in my on-road cars. I've used blue tack before with great success. So we're going to put it on our line and see how we go, to a point where I almost want to put too much to demonstrate what happens when we put too much on. So you can see now that that's rocking to the bottom. So straight away I know that is too much weight. So I want to pull this off, stick it on again. How are we looking now? Now it's still a fraction light. See, it's starting to rock up. If I put it over this side, it's starting to go up. I'm going to put a tiny bit more clay on there. I can see now how I won't budge. So we'll give it another spin, give it a full rotation, and hopefully if I've done it right, it should stop somewhere different rather than that at the top or at the bottom, which it has. It's balanced over here. So if I spin it again, if it is all balanced, it will stop somewhere completely different again. Yep, no rocking, no toing and froing. This is when I'll take the wheel out of the balancer, and I'll put the tyre clay just in the corner here of the wheel where it's out of the way. Nothing can hit it, and the force of the wheel spinning will actually hold it in there. And there we have a balanced wheel. Now because I've used whiteboard marker, we can just wipe that sticker mark off. Not that it's critical. And there we have a balanced wheel. What did that take? 3 minutes. It's a very simple and effective way to ensure that you're getting really good performance out of your wheel and tyre package. And you can see that this one I've done here before. This tyre here is heavily worn. And you can see here, it's got the clay in there. This tyre has probably done about 2 hours of track time and racing. So that is fantastic. That's how it lasts. When the tyre is worn out, you can just flick it off, you can reuse it, you can throw it out. But yeah, that's how I balance my wheels. Thanks for watching.